Thanks to Jason at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by SENSEN. We always recommend you go to professional for this type of repair, and this one was a little difficult because of the top 3 nuts are hard to get to. Today we are replacing a set of front Complete Strut Assemblies on a 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 rear-wheel drive. This front set fits the 2007 to 2013 Silverado 1500 4-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive, excluding electronic suspension, and the 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra 1500 4-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive, excluding electronic suspension and classics. We recommend using Speedy Struts by SENSEN when replacing your worn-out struts. These Complete Strut Assemblies by SENSEN come with a limited lifetime warranty. SENSEN uses OE-grade coil springs and strut mounts with premium-grade bearings. All Speedy Struts are assembly tested for vehicle fitment accuracy and come in high-quality premium packaging. Better components, better processes, and better quality, Speedy Strut is the better option. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 15mm socket to remove the bottom bolts on the lower control arm, a pry bar to pry off the clips on the top of the strut mount, an 18mm socket for the top 3 nuts, a 15mm socket for the new top 3 nuts, and an 18mm wrench and 13mm socket for the new bottom bolts.
First thing I'm going to do is remove the bottom 2 bolts here. 15mm. Going to remove both these 2 bolts here. The lower control arm. Next, I'm going to remove the top 3 upper strut mounting bolts. Pop the little clips off the top. They just snap right on top. Right, these are 18mm. There's going to be 3 of them. to do is put a bar in between right here and the lower strut and the control arm, and just slowly push it off the lower control arm. Kind of breaks this and might drop once it gets to the edge. The new bolts that you're going to be installing are going to be a 15 millimeter now. Back over. Next, what I'm going to do is I'll pull down on this right here to where this will pop on top of the control arm. Just like that. And I'm probably going to have to get rear sanded. Get your bolt lined up in the lower part of it. $18 millimeter and 13 millimeter on the bottom.
Good.
This concludes our front complete strut assembly installation on a 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Be sure to look for our rear shock installation video for this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.